Welcome back. I'm Davey D. Lena Girl has the day off. Sitting in is our celebrity guest co-host, Devin the Cobra. You ready?
I'm ready.
Time for some shakas and shoutouts.
Let's kick it off with the shakas and shoutouts for AARP Hawaii. They are bringing AARP fraud expert Doug Shadle to Hawaii for free workshops February 23 through the 26th.
February 23. Yeah, I like that. Okay,
23rd,
Doug explains
23rd.
how cons work, why smart people get hooked, and how to shut scammers down.
I actually got caught by one of these things, so please be careful. No, seriously. He'll also explain how cryptocurrency kiosks, which look like bank ATMs, are being used to transfer money to scammers.
We'll tell you how to register in a minute, but first, shakas and shoutouts to the Chinese Chamber of Commerce of Hawaii. You know, for over 50 years, they have been celebrating Chinese New Year by hosting a weekend of activities in Chinatown.
Kick off the Year of the Horse with a 2-day Chinese New Year festival on Friday, February 13th from 5 to 10 p.m. and Saturday, February 14th from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. at the Chinatown Cultural Plaza.
February 1-3 and February 1-4. Check out the more than 40 food, craft, and cultural booths, free activities for kids, and entertainment, including an exciting high pole lion dance by Gi Yung Martial Arts Dragon and Lion Dance Sports Association. Yeah, always high energy. For more information, you can go to kitv.com/links. Now, shakas and shoutouts to Francine Ranit of Sunshy's Jewelry Design. She created this beautiful African diamond necklace, and it could be yours.
Now, just go to kitv.com/contests and tell us why your Valentine is so special.
Now, if your romantic story gives us all the feels and brings us to tears, you could win. Again, kitv.com/contests with an S. We'll be right back.